In this video, we're going to be looking at the Add Link option in MicroStation. The file that we're looking at has 3 match lines. This is a perfect case use for linking a layout to a match line. I've already linked 2 of the match lines. Let me demonstrate. I'm going to zoom in on this first one. This match line goes to layout 2. You can see the icon there. Hover over the icon. I get the icons that come up: the open, the edit, the remove. I can click on the open. This will close the sheet that I'm in and will open up layout 2. And it took me specifically to that match line in layout 2. And the reason it did that was I had already created in this layout a saved view. If I come up to my saved view icon up here, you can see there was a saved view called L-3 match line. Now someone has to create that in order for me to link to it. We're going to go back to our prior sheet. I'm going to do a fit view. Down and to the right, I did another one. This links to layout 6. So if I'm element selection and I move my cursor over that, again I can follow that by clicking on it, and it takes me right to layout 6, and I'm looking at the match line back to layout 3. So I'm going to use the previous model icon. I'm going to get back, do a fit. Now you see how beneficial it can be. Now how do we actually do this? I'm going to take you through the process. Down on the bottom, we have a match line that takes us to layout number 4. Now layout number 4 does not have a saved view in it, so we're going to have to open it up, zoom in on this match line, and then create a saved view. So I'm going to go to File, Open. We're going to open up sheet 4. And I've already been here, so I'm looking at the match line to layout 3. So now I'm going to create a saved view. So I'm going to come up to my saved view icon, click there. There's an icon right here, create saved view. I'll click on it. On my tool settings window, I'm being asked to give it a name, so we're going to call this L-4 match line. Then I'll click in the view. Saved view is created. Now I'm going to go back to the prior sheet. So I'm right now in layout 3, and I'm going to zoom back in, and I'm going to be linking to the match line that sheet, L4, in particular the saved view. So I'm going to move my cursor over it. I'm in element selection. I'm going to press and hold the right button. Because I have no link assigned to it, I can add a link. So I'm going to click Add Link. The Add Link to Element dialog comes up. From File, that's what we want. I'm going to click Select Link from File icon. The one I want to link is sheet 4, so I'm going to select that. The Link Target dialog appears on the left there. I'm going to expand. I'm going to expand the model. I see saved views. I'm going to expand that. And there's the saved view that I created just a moment ago. So I'm going to select that, and I'm linking the saved view in that model to the match line. Clicking OK, and again clicking OK. And now you can see the link is applied. If I hover my cursor over it, I get the options to open link. I can click on it. I open up, in this case, layout 4, and I'm looking at that match line, going back to layout number 3.